All right, welcome to the Sweet Glamping Adventures Ranch and the Merlin. This is our 9th and newest RV to the fleet, and we're going to go inside and take a look at the electrical panel, just how you start to power up on this recreational vehicle. So start out, first thing you do when you get on this RV and any of our RVs is right here by the steps. There's a panel, and the main house battery switch goes to the 3 o'clock position, which turns that on, and that gives you power to all your lights. It also will give you power to the awning, which is already out here, the step lights, which I can go ahead and turn on, and the cargo lights. On this RV, the smart panel is actually up front. Okay, so once you sit down, this is the Merlin, and it's the only one of ours that has this touch screen. So once you're on that, there's the home button up here in the upper left corner. You're going to touch the home button. It gives you a swipe panel. So I'm going to swipe over to get to the 4th screen. And that shows me RV control. I click RV control, and now I see all the RV panel. So what I'm seeing on here is if I have the engine running and the parking brake set, I can extend and retract the slide with that switch there. Right now it's extended, the engine's off, so we're not going to use that right now. You can see that you have liquid propane at 80%, your fresh water is full, your black and gray tanks are empty. Here's where your tank heaters are, so if you're going to heat your black tank or your gray tank, it's there. And your water pump, which is generally, we have that on here when we're on ground power like we are. That is where you would turn that on and off. Probably the most important thing that you're going to use this panel for is to start the generator. So if you click the generator icon, you'll see that the generator is showing up in red, which means it's off. And in order to start it, ordinarily you would prime it, which is here. You would hold and prime that. No need to do that because it's already primed, so we're just going to hold the start button for a second and release. And now it's cranking. It's now started. You might be able to hear that, and you're watching for the icon to turn green, which is when the generator's power is available. So now you have the 15 or 30 amp service available off of your generator. So now your AC will work, and your fridge will cool and freeze like you would like it to, and that's pretty simple. To shut it off, you're just going to press the stop button. It has other features that we're not going to go through in this video, such as auto start, and it's got a shutdown timer and a start timer and all that sort of thing. But for now, this is pretty much how you're going to use it on most of your trips. Thanks for glamping with us.